BIP is very expensive.
Anger management. Mm-hmm.
And so you just do anger management class. And I'm going to note that the reason why the court is changing that is due to financials.
Thank you.
Coleman, I take it 9, 4 down.
I'm sorry, page what?
Page 9. So we're trying to get 4 down.
Jamal Coleman.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. How's it going?
Pretty good. How are you?
I cannot complain. It's well, they tell me it's supposed to be an extremely hot day.
I'm 15.
So I tried to do a little linen today. All right. So how's everything going?
Everything's going good. I recently got my medication. They gave me a shot. I have to go back to the Center for Healthcare Services on the 26th.
All right, everyone, please whisper. Sorry, what?
I have to go back to the Center for Healthcare Services on the 26th to meet my probation officer. I also have a provider's appointment on the 26th. And then on the 1st, I get another shot for the medication. I've been able to find some employment, mostly temp agencies.
Mm-hmm.
So when I request the schedule, the temp agencies, so some of them make them first come, first serve, and they already have standard workers, so I haven't gotten a chance to really go out. But yesterday, I got an email from AutoZone. That's the company that I used to work for. They're supposed to be rehiring me, and then yes, ma'am. And then I got another job. It's called Musket Corporation. All they do is box diesel fluid, and it's on an assembly line, and that schedule's from 7 to 4. So I've been pretty good. I've been working on and off trying to find the right job around the schedule curfew.
Okay, well, I tell you what, be very careful with the diesel loading that.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't let somebody say, "Oh, I'm just going to smoke a cigarette." And so, do we want to keep him on? Can we?
Judge, Mr. Coleman has finished his parenting classes. Since he's been released, there were some concerns from his probation officer as far as not getting some documentation and as far as his work is concerned. But he did show me the documentation and sent me some via email that I'll scan into the system. He has been following the guidelines of the GPS. He's not had any violations or anything like that.
So let me ask you, because I have him on curfew, right?
Yes, Judge.
So can we move towards just tracking?
So, Judge, I was going to ask for either tracking or just straight up removal. If the court is inclined.
See, here's the thing.
Maybe tracking for 30 days.
I like to do things in step by step.
Yes, ma'am.
So you've been on curfew. There have been no issues with curfew. So what I'll do is I'll do tracking only. So there's no curfew.
So I can leave whenever?
Yes.
Okay.
So it'll be tracking, but continue to do everything that you need to do. And then what we'll do is we'll do another update with you. And if there are no issues, I will remove it. So whether or not it gets removed at our next setting is completely in your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So when do you want to come back for that?
So, Judge, since I'm asking for it to be on tracking for 30 days, I would ask for us to come back in 30 days.
Okay.
And I am also asking that if he is at work or employed at that time, that he appear via Zoom.
Are you able to do Zoom?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you won't have to come into court. You can do Zoom. And we will do tracking only.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're doing great. I'm so proud of you.
And Judge, I just have one more request. Since he has finished his parenting classes, I'm asking that we give him credit for a part of his community service hours.
Okay.
And then upon completion of his BIP class, I'm requesting that the remaining hours he gets credit for.
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right. It's too hot to be working outside. And I'm going to tell you what my mom told me with my very first job. Read the pamphlet, know the breaks that they're supposed to give you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Norma, if I can have a 30-day reset.
July 20th.
All right, so we'll be back on July 20th. You can appear by Zoom. And then if there are no issues, your GPS will be removed.
Thank you so much.
And then you'll receive the credit for completion of the parenting classes. And then you say he has BIP as a condition?
Yes, Judge. That was given as a condition.
It's a 4 month, 4 month. The BIP is kind of a struggle on me because I don't have it. Without employment,
We're going to take care of that right now. Because I know that there's an issue with the pricing. Can we, because is he on BIP?
So, hold on 1 second, Judge, I'm so sorry.
Because can we, if he is on BIP, can we just change that to an anger management class or something that is, because I really don't think that that's the issue. I think the other issue had to do with medications.
So Judge, when he was first granted probation back in 2020, that was a condition. It wasn't something that came up afterwards.
All right, so this is what we're going to do. Deshaun, change it to anger management. BIP is very expensive.
Anger management.
Mhm. And so you just do anger management class. And I'm going to note that the reason why the court is changing that is due to financials.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Anything else, Judge?
No, that's all.